Homemade pastry sheets with Rotimaker. For the dough, 1 cup flour, salt as needed, 1 teaspoon ghee or oil. Mix 80 to 90 milliliters water, or as needed to form a soft, smooth dough. Knead to a soft, smooth dough. Cover and let rest for 15 to 30 minutes. Dust the surface with flour. Shape the dough into a rectangle. Divide into 12 equal parts. Lightly coat the dough portions in flour to prevent sticking, and shape them into smooth balls. Cornstarch oil paste, 1 to 2 teaspoon cornstarch, 1 to 2 teaspoon oil. Mix till combined. Flatten a dough ball into a disc. Brush generously with cornstarch oil paste, covering the entire surface. Stack with second dough disc. Align them well. Brush with cornstarch oil paste, covering the entire surface. Stack with third disc. Align them well. Gently press and flatten it. For uniform circular sheets, ensure all discs are equal in size, neatly shaped into circles, and properly aligned when stacked. Total 4 sets with 3 layers. For thinner sheets, you can make stacks of 4 to 5 discs. If so, make smaller dough balls accordingly. Preheat the Rotimaker on maximum. Place a stacked disc slightly above the center. Press and cook for a few seconds. Take out and keep them covered while cooking the rest. Peel and separate the sheets while still warm. Keep them in an airtight container.